Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be making a vegan chocolate cake. This cake is so moist and delicious, and it's perfect for any occasion. Ingredients: 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup sugar, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon vinegar. Instructions: preheat oven to 350 degrees F, 175 degrees C. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the sugar, oil, water, vanilla extract, and vinegar. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and bake for 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool completely before frosting. Tips: for a richer chocolate flavor, use dark cocoa powder. To make the cake gluten-free, use gluten-free flour. To make the cake nut-free, use nut-free oil, such as sunflower oil or grapeseed oil. For a healthier cake, use whole wheat flour and unrefined sugar. To make a chocolate ganache frosting, heat 1 cup of vegan heavy cream and 1 cup of vegan chocolate chips in a saucepan over low heat, stirring constantly until melted and smooth. Allow the ganache to cool slightly before frosting the cake. Conclusion: that's it. You've now made a delicious and decadent vegan chocolate cake. Enjoy! Outro: thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more vegan recipes.